Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view your watch history on Instagram. So if you want to walk down on your memory lane and you want to see what have you been watching on Instagram, this is how you are going to do it. First, you can just click on your profile. So click on your photo at the bottom and tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Then here you can go to your activity, then click on like. So on Instagram, unfortunately you cannot see whole watch history. You can only see the history that you the videos that you like before. So if you click on like, so this are the list of content that I like. So if you want to, you can just click on to filter the content. You can just click on all content tabs at the top and only choose reels. Click on apply and you'll see the videos that you have watched on Instagram. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.